kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made it do.
Hello guys, welcome back to another speed clean with me. Today's video is sped up a little bit more than normal. I want to give you some extreme speed cleaning motivation today. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm sure you know the drill by now, but I'm starting off in the bedroom and making the bed. I love having a freshly made bed to climb into at the end of the day, so I'm just going to whiz around, make the bed, get rid of any washing and washing up and everything, and just get the bedroom nice and cozy.
Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah.
So next I'm just going to go in with my Pledge polish and just wipe down all of the surfaces, making sure that they're nice and clean and fresh, and then I can go in and give the room a nice hoover and then we can move on from there.
I'm still awake with a heart in two. She started, where have you been? It's 2:30. Only because you came home when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah.
Okay, so I'm now in the kitchen and I just wanted to show you a quick before so you can see what we're working with. I've got lots of washing up to do and just the general tidying up as well. So I'm just going to jump straight in by putting everything away and just doing a good tidy, and then I can go in, do the washing up, wipe down the sides and get everything nice and clean.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road crashing down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is and I will try to mend. Though I'm kinda hoping that you feel the same as I do right now, right now. Tell me now, 'cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Is this how it's supposed to be? 'Cause breaking up with you has got the best of me. I just wanna live.
So I picked up the new Mrs. Hinch flash spray the other day in the wild berries, and it smells so good. I really like it, but for some reason it just reminds me of Turkish Delight, and I don't really know why. It's definitely not a bad thing because it does smell super fresh and clean and I really like it. But again, for some reason, Turkish Delight just pops into my head. So let me know if you've used it and if it smells like Turkish Delight to you as well.
You know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Ooh. Song from Friends. Hey, I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while.
Okay, so this is a quick before of the front room and it's really not too bad on this day. So I just need to whiz around and do a quick pickup, sorting out all of the bunny toys because they definitely do make a mess. So I just want to sort through those, sort out the cushions and blankets and just get it nice and tidy.
I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends.
So now the bunnies are jumping up on the sofa, mainly Willow, but Cinnabon does sometimes, so I have to have that blanket out because Willow just loves to dig. She's definitely a digger, and whenever she comes up on the sofa, she always tries to make herself a burrow. So I put the blanket there just to protect the sofa. So yeah, that's just a quick update of the buns, little terrors. So I'm just going to whiz around and do all of the dusting now and the hoovering, and it just feels so good to be able to have both of those double doors open and just let the house breathe and make it super fresh and cozy.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you.
So it was my anniversary not too long ago, and I had to share this card that my in-laws got us from Cinnabon and Willow. I mean, how cute is that? She even drew on little paw prints from them. It was just so cute.
Rum and cola, wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you did, and also consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
Just met the other night, but I can't get you